Hello?
Hello viewers. Welcome to my new channel again.
Mm.
Today we're going to make manga.
Cutting manga. Siyempre, with the help of person. Big, grown up. Yeah. Oh, wait muna. Hindi hawak si Saysay ng... No. Hindi hawak si Saysay ng kutsilyo kasi matulis, matalas. And then, pag matalas, baka masaktan. Oo, baka masaktan si Saysay.
Okay. Shave. Yes. Doing good.
Doing good.
Careful. Baka matulo.
Mm-hmm.
And the other side one.
The other one.
Ready? Yes, ready. Yes, ready. Yes, ready. Yes.
Yan. Wait muna. Kukuha tayo ng tape. Ng
Spoon ko. I want the spoon to tayo.
yeah.
Give me the spoon.
Yung spoon. Saan? Nandun sa kwarto. Ay, yan.
Andito.
Yan.
Kala mo
Ayaw mo nung ano? Wait muna. Gagawa tayo ng decoration. Decorate the manga.
Ang decoration ng manga?
Para maganda.
Ano maganda?
Square. Oh, what shape is that?
Square.
Square and then
Apple.
diamond.
It looks like puppies.
Ha?
Okay.
Ito. Iyan, dyan kakakain.
Puffy. I want to make a juice.
Hindi na ng juice kasi maasim yan. Maasim-asim ng konti. Maniba lang. Masarap baga. Ang ganyan, oh. You can eat na.
Okay.
Yeah.
With the spoon.
Wow! Very good. Masarap? Maasim?
Masarap dapat maasim.
Mag-thank you tayo sa sponsor. Thank you, Kuya Dandan.
Thank you, Kuya Dandan.
For the mango.
For the mango.
Yun lang, sabihin mo doon sa mga viewers mo. Like and subscribe. Dali na.
Like and subscribe, viewers.
To my channel.
To channel.
And share.
And share and subscribe.
Yeah. Oh, bye-bye na. Bye-bye. Bye everyone na. Bye everyone. Bye everyone.
Bye.
Bye everyone.
Bye everyone.